How to set up a Twitch co-stream on mobile. Now, hosting a co-stream or stream together option from your phone lets you easily link up with other creators to share a broadcast and combine with your communities. So start by opening your Twitch application. Then simply tap on your profile. Now, after you go live on your Twitch, simply head over to your stream manager. Now find the quick action icon. It looks like a speedometer. Scroll down and here, just like this speedometer symbol, there is the quick action written at the top. Then tap on start sharing chat. Simply tap on here. Now here you'll see the option to start streaming together, which is the way to add your co-stream. And in a stream together, the host can initiate a share chat. In share chat, your chat will be combined with other participating streamer chats, jointly moderated and accessible to any third-party applications. So, not to worry, as you can leave share chat at any time and your community will leave with you. So if you want to get started, simply tap on the get started, which is at the bottom with the purple icon. Simply tap on get started. But make sure that you have your account verified. Your phone needs a verification first. If you are verified, then when you tap on get started, you'll be able to start your co-stream and you will be able to invite your friends inside the backstage. Tap the invite button and search for your collaboration by the Twitch username, or so you can just send them an invite. And now when in the collaboration backstage, when you have your friends invitation accepted, you need to make sure that your share chat is toggled on. You can always find on quick action. This will ensure that your messages from both your channel and your guest channel show up in the combined chat feed. And that's it, guys. In this way, you will be able to set up a Twitch co-stream mobile. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.